Hi friends, now we're going to be starting the Tricks IDCCM Practicals free webinar. Hearty congratulations to all of you who have passed the Tricks IDCCM theory exam. All of you very congratulations, and your hard work has paid off. So these are small things which make us very happy, because all of us are very happy that all of you have cleared the IDCCM practicals, and we would want you to work with the same dedication so that you'll be able to clear your practical exam and come out with flying colors. So these are our course faculties: Dr. Alisha Chowdhury, Dr. Vittal, Dr. Pon Tilak, Dr. Hariharan, Dr. Priyadarshini, Dr. Arun Kumar Sahu, Dr. Vani Shri, Dr. Sasi, and Dr. Venkatesh. I am Dr. Sasi. I work as an intensivist at Chennai. Our course directors will be Dr. Tapas Sir and Dr. Sananta Das. So now, before moving on to the practicals, there are two important things in practicals you need to remember. There are two aspects to reading. One will be your case discussions and one will be your table viva videos. So what we have done is, so you will have two clinical cases of 40 marks each, which is total of 80 marks. And you have 6 workstations of 20 marks each, that is 120 marks. And you have to get a pass mark of 50% in each head. And apart from this, passing your ACLS and airway station is compulsory. So I would recommend everybody to complete your ACLS BLS course before you take the exam once. And make sure to concentrate more on ACLS BLS station for your Viva, because you need to pass in your ACLS and airway stations. So these two clinical cases of 40 marks each, it depends on some of the institutes. Some institutes can keep you 1 long case and 2 short cases, or it can be all 4 short cases, which depends on the institute, and you will not know whether you will going to get a long case or a short case. So we need to be prepared with all the cases, even it can be a short case or a long case. So how we have done this course is, the clinical cases, few of the cases which are very important will be discussed and the debrief videos will be shared. Apart from that, the cases which have not been shared with you will be kept for the mock exam. And once the mock exam is done, you will get a debrief video to know where you have gone wrong and what else you need to improve. The workstations, we have lot of Viva videos which we have recorded, including capnography, airway, ACLS, everything has been pre-recorded for you, including pharmacology, ventilator graphs and everything. You need to go through those Viva videos before you attend the mock exam to answer better. So our free webinar is today, which is 24th of September. Tomorrow our course starts. So by October 1st week, you'll have your mock 1 exam. October 3rd week will be your mock 2 exam. These dates might change. We will just come up with the dates once your final practical exam dates are confirmed. This is from the ISCCM calendar, where it has been recorded as 25th to 26th October is your final practical exam date. Hopefully, once we get a specific date, we can in a little change your mock 1 and mock 2 exam dates. But tentatively, October 1st week will be your mock 1. October 3rd week will be your mock 2. So our course schedule will be, we have pre-recorded extensive coverage of all the table vivas. There will be few case presentations with debrief videos which are pre-recorded, and you'll have 2 mock tests with real examiners, and you will get feedback after each session. Okay, so all of you have to attend your mock 1 and mock 2. You will be given a core 5 days, and you can select whatever time you want depending on the faculty availability, and you have to attend your mock exam to know where you are standing. So don't worry if you're not able to answer in your mock 1. You can know where you're going wrong in your mock 1 exam, and the same you can improve in your mock 2, and you can see the difference how you've improved after listening to your table viva videos and the case presentations. So this is your system-wise cases which we will be discussing. Neuro will be ischemic stroke, ICH, SH, TBI, neuromuscular diseases, meningitis, status epilepticus. Gastro will be pancreatitis, bleed, liver failure. Cardio will be MI, pulmonary embolism. Respiratory will be CAP with ARDS, COPD or asthma. You will get toxicology cases in your short cases or long cases. Endocrine, DKA, HHS. Polytrauma, burns. Neutropenic sepsis, necrotizing fasciitis, pregnancy, PPH, preeclampsia. And always remember, even if your case starts with ischemic stroke, it can go to cardio, that patient develops an MI, and then they can go into tracheostomy, weaning, and communication. So it is not like if they start with neuro, it goes only in neuro. It depends on the examiner and what case you're going to get in the exam. Special topics which you will get in the further vignettes, as discussed, you will get post cardiac arrest status, end of life care, brain death declaration, ACS, VAP, CLAPSy, refeeding syndrome, C. diff, DIC, weaning, ECMO, and post solid organ transplant. Your table viva, table 1 will be ACLS and BLS, and you have to pass in this station and your airway station. Drugs, instruments, ECG, ABG, and imaging, and hemodynamic monitoring. So all these have been separately pre-recorded for you. You have oxygen delivery devices, fluids, imaging, EtCO2, airway disease. Everything has been pre-recorded for you, and you need to listen to the stable vivas before answering in the exam. So as mentioned, everything has been there. All the instruments, ROTEM, TEC, NIV, everything has been there. And from the inputs from our previous batches, they had questions like a ventilator graph. If you see, how you're going to troubleshoot it. If you see an echo, how are you going to see? If it's a pericardial tamponade, what are you going to do? So all these have also been asked. Drug standard questions were there, but only 2 for each drug, either like group name, the mechanism of action, or the side effect or contraindication was asked. So success needs preparation, as all of you have struggled and have cleared your IDCCM theory. Once again, congratulations for it. And we cannot relax now because we hardly have time to prepare for your practicals. There is only 3 more weeks which we have to prepare. So kindly leave everything, 3 weeks, concentrate. So once you're done, success comes your way. Any questions? Any other questions you have? So Sri Lakshmi is in practical exam in few sessions, we need separate pass, especially in Narvik. Can you have more focus on these areas which need a separate pass? Yes, Sri Lakshmi, we have recorded everything, ACLS, BLS, airway, oxygen airway devices, everything has been recorded. You can listen to all the table viva videos. In case you need anything else, please let us know so that we can pre-record the videos and give it to you. How much time given to answer for each question? So that usually depends, but usually you will get 2 to 3 minutes to answer one question. Do we get the PDF for Dr. Bharti? Will not be giving you the PDF, but we have the videos which we'll be sharing it to you, and you will have access throughout the course. Time for each case. So if it's a long case, you will have 30 minutes of long case. If it's a short case, there'll be 15 minutes for each short case. Any other questions? Yes, Dr. Rio, you have any question? Dr. Suraj, yes, we have a IDCCM theory also. We just finished the IDCCM theory course. Tricks IDCCM theory course was just completed. Post that, we are starting our practical course now. Once this is over, the next session theory course will be restarted again. Any other questions? Time for stations. See, it depends on the institute. If your theory exam, if your morning case discussion is very prolonged, then your stations might move very fast. But if your case discussion finished early, then each station you'll have 15 minutes. Any other questions? You will have a separate WhatsApp group to ask questions even for the practical exam. Any videos you have, any doubts, you can ask us. If you want us to record any videos, we can record it for you and we will give it to you. But I need all of you, whoever registers for this course, to kindly attend the mock exams. Don't hesitate that you will not be able to answer. But once you face the real-time examiner here, the exam will be just a cakewalk for you. So long case and short case presentation. Long case you need to write, you have to write the long case. Short case you need not write much, but long case you need to write the important key points because they'll ask you to summarize the case. Dr. Suraj, I'm not very sure whether it's going to be an online exam or an offline exam. But last time it was an offline exam, and few centers had live cases for exam, and few centers had a case printed on the paper. So we need to be ready for a live case for exam. It's going to be case vignettes and real cases. Usually they'll keep the long case as a real case and short cases will be case vignettes. And always remember, if you start with neuro or cardio, it doesn't mean it'll end only with neuro or cardio. It can go to respiratory, can go to cardiac arrest, brain death declaration, communication. So all this will be covered in all your vignettes. And we have prepared your mock exam in such a way that you'll be exposed to all these kind of answering. Is this course sufficient to pass? We will guide you to pass, Dr. Suraj, but I cannot tell you if it's going to be sufficient or not. But yes, if you have been with us through theory, we have extensively covered theory for you. So following that, we have covered practicals and we will be helping you to clear the exam. But we need your whole dedication and sincere to attend the exam. Any other questions? You can always post your questions in the WhatsApp group. You can unmute yourself and also ask questions. This free webinar is for you to ask questions and clear yourself, whatever doubts you have. Navneet, can you share the flyer over here?
Okay, ma'am.
The mock exam will be conducted online. So Navneet will be coordinating with you, and he will be giving you few dates and time slots. So whenever you're free, when you don't have exam, you can uh, you can just book the slot, and online exam will be there. Zoom link will be shared with you and the examiner. So not an issue. So you can attend from wherever you are. Any other questions?
My screen is visible, ma'am.
Yeah, your screen is visible. Kindly, once you register for the course, please go through the table viva videos again and again, because that's going to really help you to clear all your table vivas. If there are no questions, we can end the webinar, but we'll wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you have any questions, kindly post it in the chat or unmute yourself and ask the questions. Yeah, so any physical examination or instruments will be set up in exam. You're asking for the mock exam or for the real exam. In the real exam, few institutes will keep real instruments also, and you will have a mannequin for ACLS. All the pre-recorded videos will be given at once. Yes, once you register for the course, all the pre-recorded videos access will be given to you. All
Sorry, I
the
joined late. I think presentation is over, I think.
yeah, presentation is over, Alisha.
Okay, I think somebody had put up in the group that the mock exams will be online. We can't take physical mock exams. So I think Dr. Sashi must have already told. So go 2 mock exams for the practicals will be conducted. That will be online only directly. So we'll give you slots. We'll give you our slots. You can choose one slot. We are 6 examiners, so you can choose one of our slots. And accordingly, we'll take exam. Maximum nothing after 11 o'clock at night, please. Okay, because people had requested for 12 o'clock at night. That's not possible. Otherwise, I think she has covered whatever like the course materials will be and how to study and how to prepare the same WhatsApp group, videos and mock exams. But this time there is some new things also. It is not totally only regular videos like we have done earlier. This time we have also added certain inputs we had taken from our last 3 batches actually, and they had told what type of cases are coming. So we have tried to replicate those cases into form of vignettes, every case with 3 sub vignettes, and we have given explanations. We have also given tips how to answer those questions. Like I can reveal you at present now, we have a case of SAH, vasospasm and rest like that. We have kept cases of transplant. We have kept cases of neutropenic sepsis, and you try to cover this thing. App to watch recorded video. Why, it will be given in your drive itself. No particular app as of now, that the technical team will look after. So there's some new things we have introduced this time. So hopefully it will be helping all of you.
Any other questions?
If nothing else, we'll close the session and we'll forward this video. We'll request all of you who have attended, who think we can help you in your preparation, can register for this course and let your colleagues also know. It will be a 1-month journey with us. I think already Dr. Sashi has mentioned everything. Whatever best we can do from our side, we'll be doing.
If you have any doubts, we'll be open on the WhatsApp group and you can ask us questions too.
We'll close the session then.
Yeah.